In a significant move, Somalia and Turkey have inked a deal to explore oil and gas reserves, bolstering the ties between the nations. This agreement aims to foster bilateral, scientific, technical and commercial cooperation, focusing on the development of Somalia's oil and gas sector. Turkey is set to venture into both onshore and offshore exploration, as well as the appraisal, development and production of petroleum. This comprehensive plan also includes distribution and potentially the refinery sale of petroleum. This deal forms an integral part of the Defense and Economic Cooperation Framework Agreement established last month, where Turkey committed to building, training and equipping the Somali Navy for a decade. A subsequent agreement will detail the production sharing agreement and the timeline for the deal. This collaboration not only aims to harness Somalia's resources for its people, but also to fortify Turkey's presence in the Horn of Africa. Since 2011, Turkey has been a significant ally to Somalia, extending humanitarian aid and budgetary support, even establishing a military facility to train Somali security forces. This agreement further strengthens the bond between the nations, marking a new chapter in their cooperation.